What is up, family? It's your coach, JNL, and I'm giving you the pre-workout jolt to get your mindset right, to get your body tight. I am beyond excited about today's workout because we're going to work you out from the neck up. You need to be worked out from the neck up. You know why? Because it's all about this mental space that controls this. Your body is a mirror to the world, a billboard showing everyone where your focus is. If you're focusing on yourself, hello, Ratiba in France. Let me tell you what, we've got a lot to be grateful for. What doesn't kill you is going to make you stronger. Listen to the lyrics of this song, okay? So we talked about our business plan yesterday in our private coaching. What's your business plan to get through these hard times? Are you going to crawl up in the corner and cry like a baby? Are you going to show up? You see, as a transformational life coach, this is where I'm excited to shine. I'm just going to make sure I can add a bunch of people. I'm going to invite a bunch of people, so just excuse me. They need to wake up. We need to wake up. Hello, Brooke. Cockle-doodle-doo. Woo! We are jolted today. We got to wake up, kick butt, and what doesn't kill us will make us stronger. I'm waking up the whole block here on cyberspace. I'm inviting. Okay, let's do this. Hello, Susan. All right, let me start from the top. Hey, everybody, I'm transformational coach Jennifer Nicole Lee, and welcome to my pre-workout jolt. I get on here and I get you motivated, inspired to perspire. Saturday shredder going down right now. What's your business plan for succeeding in these crazy times? Are you going to crawl up in the corner and cry like a baby and suck your thumb? Are you going to show up and show out? You see, as your coach, I want you guys to look back at this and say, Coach JNL just didn't disappear on us like ghosts. She showed up. She showed up for the battle. She showed up all ready to kick some butt. She's going to kick that Rona right in the coochie. Yes, I will. You know why? Sing it with me. We're going to keep on fighting. Come on. Woo! We are the champions. Come on. We are the champions. There's no time for losing. And I'm jolted. So guys, listen. Progress reports are due. I need you to take your measurements, okay? I want you to measure everything. Your booty, your thighs, your legs. Measure your spirit. Can you measure that? How big is it? I know it's so big. All right, guys? And we're going to continue on our business plan. I added a file to the group. Right now, did you know that Sally lost close to 80 inches? Big ups to Sally. I'm like, girl, you lost it. Ha! Way to go. So it's possible. You got to believe it. Faith. Look, I don't want to fall on anything, but if I got to fall on something, I'm falling back on my faith. Albert Einstein said this: if you can see it in your mind, you got to believe the invisible to do the impossible. What? Yes. Giving myself chills in this hot room. Albert Einstein says to do the impossible, you got to see the invisible. Okay, and he was the smartest man on earth. So, what a miracle it is to be alive. What a miracle it is to have the sun shine on your face, not your grave. To wake up, not hooked up to a ventilator today, but you're here breathing, doing some deep inhales and using your lungs, getting them going, okay? I'm excited about that. April showers, we kick off next week. April showers of blessings. You can't have a rainbow without the rain, so we're going to be seeing the good in the bad always. Let's make our positivity go viral, okay? What about some positivity going viral? I want you guys to evoke your positivity and spread it. Did you know when you post something in our private Facebook group, your post has the ability to transform another VIP sister's life forever? Now that's a big responsibility. So use your posts wisely. Always ask yourself, is this going to evoke faith or fear? Is this going to evoke good support that they're going to do something with these nuggets of wisdom? Or is it just going to make them feel weak in the knees and crawl? So listen, I want to know what's in your bag. What is in your bag? I brought some of my favorite bags here. You could be a size 2, size 0, but you could be carrying in your bag despair, worry, doubt, sadness, empty spirit, feeling negative. You could be carrying all this weight with you, okay, and trying to look cute. That's not cute, sweetheart. You know what? I want you to let go of all that courage and exercise your faith and your freedom. Stop carrying around your fear, because people can see it right now. I'm just being straight up, okay? Tough Love Coach Jane here, coming in hard. Right now, I want you to feel the heavy depression, anxiety, fear, trepidation getting out of your bag. Let it go. I need you to have bold success, light happiness. Make the switch today, guys. Dream as if you'll live forever, and live today as you're gonna die. Like it's your last day. You better get up and celebrate your life on a real note, okay? Doing what you love is like freedom. I love being an online teacher, online presenter, fitness master trainer, fitness artist, to evoke it out of you to get up and get going. Right now, life is a journey, and if you fall in love with the journey, you'll be in love forever. I've been loving this journey, guys, and even though it's tough right now, we're gonna get through this together. I wanna say this, thousands of candles can be lit by one candle. You need to be the candle that lights all the other candles around you. And did you know when you light someone else's candle, it doesn't take away from your flame? And speaking of fire, I'm about to light a bonfire under your badonkadonk today during our class, okay? So get ready for that. You already feel it getting hot in the hiney, don't you? Okay, come on, let's go. I'm gonna light that bonfire right under your tushy. So get ready, going live at 8 a.m. Happy birthday to Rita, by the way. Rita, our VIP sister, we love you. Our Greek amazing sister, Lula's sister, we love you. Happy birthday, okay? And listen, guys, I'm gonna be banging that happy button today. It's gonna be up in your face. I'm gonna be banging it saying, get up. You know why? Right now, we need to make positivity go viral worldwide. Did you know one little thing starting over here in China can go all the way over here and affect your sanity? We're about to take care of that today, all right? Corona better get scared, because we're coming for her right now. Last but not least, this dollar can transform your life. $1, 4 quarters for the first 30 days at jnlvip.com. I don't know how else to explain it to you. Stop watching the negative news. Start working on your body. Do the inner work right now while the world is closed. The earth's closed, guys. That's forcing you to look inside. $1. And then every month after that, it's $24.99. Nothing, 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 nothing. So what are you waiting on? Go to jnlvip.com, and I'm going to see you in the VIP room, and let's get it. I love you guys. Let's go. I'm working up a sweat here. Woo! I'm jolted. I'll see you guys soon. Love you. jnlvip.com. I'll go. Let's go. Rona-free zone. Woo! Faith, guys. Boom. We're going to take the faith. Boom. Drop. Drop the elbow on her. Love you guys. Let's do this. Woo!